Are you a recruiter looking for the recruiting job of your dreams? Well, let me tell you how you can use AI to be more efficient with this and land that great job of yours. Hey, welcome to the Millionaire Recruiter. I'm Brianna Rooney, your Millionaire Recruiter. If you've not seen this channel before, it's all about making you the next Millionaire Recruiter. So let's get to it. And remember to stay to the end because you don't want to miss anything. Also, thank you so much for subscribing, and please sign up for the newsletter. Our newsletter is getting bigger and better every time, and you want to stay up to date. Trust me, especially with all the AI movement we've been seeing, and we have been tracking it super closely and making sure we are on par. So, recruiters, I know that it feels heavy, still trying to find a job. Some of you, it's been a while. Some of you are new to it and trying to get in. Well, here's the thing. You need to learn how to use AI if you have not, and you definitely need to make sure that you're using it in your job search. So first and foremost, resume and LinkedIn should be AI'd out, okay? You might do a really great job with presenting yourself on your LinkedIn and on your resume. However, you can always do better. So I would put that into ChatGPT and I would just copy and paste. So let's just say you copied and pasted that beautiful resume you did. And I would ask ChatGPT what they thought you specialized in, what kind of tone they thought your resume did. How could you do better to be maybe more salesy? So it's all about the prompts. So ask ChatGPT what they think, and then you can help tweak it. That's super, super, super important. Another thing that you can use ChatGPT for with this is putting in the job description and your LinkedIn profile or resume and saying, hey, please add what I need in order to look more like a fit with the job description. I think that's really important. But something that you do not want to miss, and so many people miss it, so it's okay, just don't miss it this time, is when you're applying for a job on LinkedIn, click the skills button on the job. Okay, then it's going to show you where your skills match or they don't. So lots of times job descriptions, again, this is all AI, so you have to really pay attention to this. It's scraping what they think the job description wants the most, and then it's scraping your profile and showing, does this have it? And there's some really random skills that AI deems worthy that you have to make sure is on your profile. Otherwise, it's just going to say, nope, it's not even going to pay attention to your application. So you really have to pay attention to that. That is key. Okay. Now, speaking of the bot, you have to make sure that you are having all the right common denominators and having those words in there appropriately. So for a good example of that is you can put in the job description again, and you can say, hey, give me the most commonly used words in this job description. And then you're gonna be like, okay, how can I speak to their lingo in my resume, and making sure that that all comes together. Now, AI is great for outreach, and LinkedIn's also been helping with that. You can use it LinkedIn. I personally think ChatGPT right now is a little more powerful, but you can say, hey, copy and paste, let's say the hiring manager's profile from LinkedIn, put it in ChatGPT and say, hey, can you find some common denominators with this person's LinkedIn and perhaps mine, or this person's LinkedIn and the job description. So now you're getting really nitty gritty with it. You're very personalized. They know that you spent a lot of time on this, and that's important. Another way is like, look, you need to get that interview, but you also have to pass that interview. So you need to make sure that you are using AI to pass the bot, because you will have to pass a bot. There are more and more video interviews that are going on. There's more and more bots that are coming into play, even in the background during interviews. And so the bot is going to catch your sentiment. It's going to catch if you're telling the truth. That's super interesting. But it's also going to catch how many times you say those common words that they're looking for, even with mission and values. So think about this. I would also copy and paste the company's mission and values in the ChatGPT, and then have it give you ideas on how to really, again, pass this interview, or what questions might they ask. In addition, you can use AI for your tonality. You can do that via Grammarly. You can do that ChatGPT. You can do both, right? So let's just say by nature, you're a passive writer. Lots of people are. So you want to say like, look, I want to be more direct in my writing, or I want to make this short and sweet, to the point. That's super important, okay? Another great thing in order to land the job of your dreams is to have those automated job alerts. you can very easily, whatever job you want, let's just say you want full cycle recruiter or tech recruiter, whatever that is, you're going to put the job in and literally just push that beautiful button that says job alerts. And you are going to be emailed on a regular basis those particular jobs. No more hunting, right? And last but not least, the skill assessments. So there are tons of different skills assessments going on out there. You can find some on LinkedIn, which you can take and you can nail, but you can also, remember, prepare and use AI to prepare you. This is crucial, and using AI is definitely going to get you the recruiting job of your dreams. So I want to hear from you. What have you used? What kind of AI tools have you used in your job search? Have you done any Loom videos to get the attention of hiring managers? That's some pretty cool stuff over there. All right, so enjoy. Happy hunting. There's tons of amazing opportunities still, even though it feels yucky. I really think that recruiting is looking up and you can make a ton of money in this industry. So good luck. I'll see you every Thursday at noon. And don't forget that money's just a vessel to do all the amazing things you want to go do in life. So go live it. See you next week. Is a limiting mindset holding back your recruiting career? Shatter those barriers with the Mindset of a Millionaire Recruiter course. Change how you approach recruiting, goal setting, and life with strategies for personal and professional growth tailored to you, the recruiter. Embrace success and start shaping your future. Enroll now and unlock your full potential. Click the link at the top in the description to learn more.